Annabelle, what's going on? You're still on this. You'll be late for school. Hurry up, let's go.
I don't want to go to school today.
What do you mean you don't want to go to school? Why?
I'm scared.
You're scared, Annabelle. You are scared. Is it because of the dream you had? Dreams are not reality, my daughter. Okay? They are not real.
Is the home teacher going to come today?
Yes, of course he's going to come today.
I don't want him to come. He's a bad man.
Stop it. Do you hear that? I said, stop it, Annabelle. Stop it. Now eat your food. Let's go. Eat your food. Let me get my car keys.
Yeah, so that is exactly. Wow. Anna, are you following?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
What did I say last?
You were talking about cars.
Cars? Annie, what is taking your attention? What is wrong? What happened? Is everything okay?
Yes.
All right. Now I am going to say it again. But please, give me your attention this time around because I will be asking questions. Am I understood? I was saying there is a difference between internet and Ethernet. Internet is
Uncle, are you a bad man?
What did you just say?
Your home teacher told me you've not been concentrating in his teaching. What is going on?
Mom, I don't like him.
What do you mean you don't like him? Is it about the dream you had?
Mom, he's not a good person. He should stop coming here.
Annabelle, stop it. What's all this? I've told you it's just an ordinary dream. Mr. Philip hasn't done anything for me to distrust him. What is wrong with you? Now you stop it and listen to me. You don't have any reason at all not to concentrate. You know your father is not happy about your grades in school and you're here messing up. You need to make your father proud and me too.
Mom, I'm scared of him.
Okay. You know what is going to happen? When next he comes to teach you, I am going to be there present so that you can calm down.
Mom, it's not about your presence. I just don't like him.
Annabelle, just stop it. What is wrong with you? This is not about you. It's about your grades in school. Okay? You have to concentrate. I don't want to hear any complaint from him again. Do I make myself clear?
So, my child, what's your plans now? What do you intend to do going forward? What are your plans?
I don't know. I'll just stay back and look for something else to do. I purposely went to the DPO's office today.
That reminds me, what did he say?
What does he want to say? Of course, he said what I was expecting him to say. Huh? Mama, you see that man? He planned it. All of them, they planned it. It's a conspiracy, but it's fine.
Can you particularly tell me what the DPO said? Tell me how the visit went.
Mama, he said the order came from above. That the Igwe of the community asked him to fire me. He said the Igwe said he has been hearing news that I'm insulting and causing nuisance in this community.
But that's not true.
I'm surprised. But it's fine. There's no problem.
Why don't you wait for the Igwe to come back? Then you can go explain everything to him. It's better. You two talk one-on-one.
And why will I do it like that? Huh? Igwe has known me for years. Huh? Why is it that the only person that trusted me is the one that sacked me? Huh? Mama, I have dedicated my time, my energy, my loyalty in doing this work. What did I get in return? You still want me to go and explain myself to the Igwe? If Igwe does not believe me, that is left for him. I don't care anymore. You see this work? I'm done.
Anyone behind this will suffer.
Amen.
Anyone that did this, so long as the person matches his legs on this earth, on this ground, that person will suffer.
Amen.
God says he will fight our battle and we will hold our peace. He will speak for you.
My good work will not kill me.
At all.
Cannot kill
God
me.
will fight for you. God will fight for us. God will give us victory.
Amen.
Even if you lack maturity and good manner, why can't you adapt one from me? You know, if you knock person get once, you don't dey okay. But your own, you gonna knock. How? Why?
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Ah, who you think say you be? Who are you?
It's obvious you lack manners. Let this be the last time that I will knock severally before you open the gates. Am I understood?
You're gonna be. Who you think say you be? Who you think say you be? Why you gonna give me that kind of order?
Excuse. What is going on here, Polika? What is going on? Why are you shouting?
Madam, please warn your gate man. He lacks manners. He's been insulting and spewing all manner of profanities at me for no just cause.
Madam, Nala, you're
Now! Shut up! What is wrong with you? Bassi! Now you listen to me. If you try that next time, insulting my guests, I will make sure I deal with you mercilessly. Are you mad? Now you apologize to him.
Madam,
I said apologize to him now. Apologize to him.
I am sorry. Apologize to me too now.
Please, leave him. He's a clown. My dear, I'm so sorry for what happened. Please come inside. My daughter is waiting. I promise this won't happen again, okay?
That's okay.
Okay, no apologize to me. Dear Honofi. Dear Honofi. Hi.
I can help you with that if you don't mind.
What are you doing here? Where is my daughter?
She fell asleep while I was rounding off and I got her to bed in her room.
Wait. You know her room?
She told me. All right. Like I said, I can help you with this. At least I still have 10 minutes left before my time here expires.
Thank you so much. But since you said she's already asleep, you can leave now. I'll handle it.
Don't you have any other thing I can help you with?
I appreciate your concern, Mr. Philip, but please. Go. Nothing.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Mr. Philip.
Yes.
Please, next time, do not come to my kitchen. I'm a married woman and
It's okay. I totally understand. I do. I will see you tomorrow, Mom.
Everybody's looking for opportunity to strive. Opportunity to strive. We live in a world people pretend to be what they're not. But you cannot pretend forever. You cannot have what is not yours. It's your ideas will fail you one day. Cause you're in January, imeluzekegi, imejekegi zuike, inugo, imelikegi, imelikegi zuike. Your evil plans will fail you one day. Imalusiana, cause you're in Jabu. Cause you're Kanjabu. Mana cause you're in Jabu.
Welcome, baby. I missed you.
I missed you more.
Dad, miss you.
I missed you more.
I don't understand.
I hope you didn't stress, Mom. Hmm? Are you sure?
Yes.
I missed you.
So does it mean you didn't miss me that much?
Don't be like that. Of course, you know I missed you. I'm so happy to be back for my wifey.
So happy you're home.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome, darling.
Just that I don't want to cut your joy because in the next few days I should be traveling to Bauchi.
Again?
Yes. Oh, but come on. This time I'm not staying long. Just for 3 days. I'll be back before you know it. Don't be like that now.
I don't like this, honestly. I don't like it. Welcome. Just know that I'm not happy at all.
I am very careful now. If I make a move, man, no one am me.
Yeah, hello? You must be Mr. Philip. Is that correct? Okay, that's fine. So, my wife told me how you're doing a tremendous job, my daughter, making sure she improves. And of course, we've seen a lot of improvement so far. Yeah, it's a job, I know. You see, I used to be a teacher back then in Abuja when I was 7. And I can tell you it's not an easy job, especially teachers being underpaid. So I know what it means to, be a teacher, especially to students. So yeah, I commend you for that. You're welcome. So how long have you been in the profession? Really? Soldier turned teacher, huh? That must be a very hard switch to do, Okay, all right. We'll see when I'm back. We'll be able to sit down and at least talk, eh? All right, bye.
If I make a move, man, no one am me.
I love you so much, my darling. Please do take care of yourself for me, okay? And don't stress yourself, okay?
Okay, baby.
I'll be off to work now.
Okay, my love.
And also, little boy, make sure you take care of your mom for me, okay?
Hey, it's a she.
Hi.
I've already said this, right? It's a she. She will take care of me. Don't worry.
Remember, we'll place the bet, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be a boy.
A girl.
Okay. Let's see how it goes. My love. And also, I would go see Jack after work. We have some few things we want to discuss. So I'll be coming in a little bit late.
Okay, no problem. Please say me well to him and his wife.
Okay, I will, baby. Remember, don't stress yourself, okay?
I won't.
You promise me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, baby. See you soon, okay? I'll miss you.
Sis, I'll miss you too.
Alright, baby. Take care of yourself.
Bye, honey.
You too.
Hey, Amara, long time. The strongest girl in the community. What happened? We have not been seeing you and your boys in this community. What happened?
Well, the king asked that we resign from the work.
Why?
I don't know. He told Onowu he sent his order to Onowu to tell us.
What kind of thing is this? I'm sure it's all those bad people that is committing all these evil things in this community.
I know. But we've left the village for them. Let them eat it. But it's fine. We tried our best, but it was obvious it wasn't enough. We just leave everything in the hands of God.
So, my regards to your boy and your mom.
Alright, it's fine. Let me go. My mom sent it.
Alright, sir. We'll see later.
He was a soldier. Honestly, I was surprised hearing it from my husband. Mark was a soldier and they both look alike. What if he's Mark? What if my daughter was right about him being a bad guy? You and I know what I went through in his hands.
Nancy, I don't believe that. People have their look alike, you know. Eh? So don't cause a panic yet. He said he's not Mark. So you can agree with me, he hasn't done anything suspicious around you. So you're mistaking him for someone else, I guess.
Maybe you're right, you know. Maybe I was startled hearing that he was a soldier.
Yeah.
All right, baby girl. Let's cheers. Um, my husband said you were a soldier.
Yes, I was.
That's good to know. You really look like someone I used to know. I mean, my ex.
You know, people and this striking resemblance. So what happened?
Nothing. He's a monster.
You met him a monster?
Oh, no. He was so sweet. Things were moving on fine. In fact, we were planning our wedding. All of a sudden, he changed. He changed into something I can't explain. Little did I know that he derives pleasure in hurting me.
I'm so unhappy to hear this. Sorry, but how was he hurting you?
I don't want to talk about it.
It's okay. But I must ask this. Do you think you turned him into a monster or you met him a monster? You know, people don't just turn into monsters like that. Something must have triggered it.
Oh. No. Mama? Huh? You're back. Yes, sir. I'm back. Hope you got everything I asked you to buy.
I did. Got everything.
That's very nice. Please go inside and start making fire. I'm very hungry. So that we can quickly cook and eat. Before I forget, your brother called. He sent his regards.
Don't mind that, bro. I called him throughout yesterday. He did not pick my call.
Are you angry he called me?
Don't mind him. I'll call him back again.
Chai. My prayer for you is that you get a good suitor. Because you deserve the best. You're such a good child.
Babe, what is wrong with you? What is going on? Why do you move?
It was just this project I'm doing right now is really taking a toll on me. I'm at a point now, like the finishing point, but it's just not adding up. Like I need all the help and research that I can get to finish it off. That's just my problem.
Oh, sorry. I understand, babe. I'm off to the salon. I want to make my hair.
Wait a sec. I mean, you asked me the problem. I just explained. You said nothing. You just want to leave the salon like that? No suggestion, nothing. Just nothing.
I don't understand what you're saying. That I should suggest. Have you forgotten what you used to tell me, that I am not wise enough to give suggestions in your line of business?
Come on, I didn't say it like that. I didn't really say it like that. At least you support me by, okay, baby, do it this way. Oh, baby, don't you think all that? We're partners. Come on. I mean,
yes, we are partners, but not in your line of business. In quotes, I heard you.
It's okay. Just go to the salon.
Fine, babe. I'm so sorry if I can't do anything about it. Okay, but you're the man. You need to take care of your responsibilities.
Go to the salon. You want to go now?
All right, I'm off, darling. Mwah, bye.
You have to.
Take care of you.
Just obvious I'm in the salon.
Hey, come
Jesus Christ. So now for my territory, this person just enter, you don't fear me. Hi! I am a gallant soldier. Come back again, I'll deal with you. Idiot, Mugu. What a life threatening.
Honestly, I'm scared. I'm really scared. You have to do something.
You don't have to be scared. At least whoever that is now knows we have an active security. And I'm sure he wouldn't want to try that next time. Bassi, well done, okay? Well done. But then you need to tighten up the security, okay? You need to tighten it up. All right?
Okay, thank you so much for the compliment. This one way they compliment me like this, it is sweet me. Okay? You see that person? He no go come this place again. The person already your own no me. In things are they like all these securities where they sleep for duty. You don't go me on. I'm very active always.
Well, it's a good thing to know. Like I said, well done, okay? But then I need you to, make it stronger. Because who knows? Since he didn't succeed, he might want to try that next time. I don't know, but who knows the plan? But what I'm trying to say is that make sure that you tighten the four corners of the house.
Okay, I beg you, say one person cannot tell something to be very strong. Please permit me to employ another person to be assistant security to me. So that when one man is weak, another one will be strong.
All right, that's reasonable. That's fine. Just go ahead and what do you think, babe?
Babe, anything at all. If you want 10, if you want 5, anything at all, just do it. I just want my family to be safe. Anything you can do. Because right now, I am scared. Really scared.
Go ahead and do the plan, okay?
Thank you, okay. Thank you, madam. People don't have to worry. People are covered. People are covered. Thank you, okay.
I can see from your shoe, I know.
It's my inheritance, okay.
It's okay, you got it.
Okay, thank you.
You don't have to.
I am.
Amen. Remember everything I told you. You know the city is different from the village. Things are done differently over there.
Mama, are you now telling me about the city? Mama, I am a graduate, don't forget, and I schooled in the city. So I know everything about the city. It's okay.
God will be with you.
Amen.
God will favor you.
Amen.
I'm going to miss you.
Mama, it's okay. Let me go. You know I'm already late. I just pray I'll be able to see a boss.
Why not? You're leaving early. You'll find a boss.
Okay. Take care of yourself, yeah?
And you too.
She not the shake at all, strong and mighty.
Wow! Hi, Ricky! Look who we have here! Alexander the Great, my darling! I missed you. I missed you too. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
And how is your husband, my friend?
He's fine, I'm fine. He always sends his grad when he comes from the States.
That's so good of him.
Okay.
You're not looking bad anyways.
At all, looking good. Thank you.
Okay, babe, I'll just allow you guys to have your girls' discussion. I'll be inside waiting for you, okay?
Okay, baby.
All right, take it easy.
All right. Yes, my love. Oh my
Hey.
God, look at you. You're all heavy. Oh my God. So you ready to become Mama Boy, eh? Welcome to the club, baby girl.
How have you been, my dear friend?
I'm okay, I'm fine.
And Nancy, our friend, have you been hearing from her?
Nancy is good. She's fine. I do visit her home.
You see me now. Since I became heavy, I hardly go out.
I can see.
Please, whenever you go, say my greetings to her.
It's alright. I will definitely. Husband is waiting for you. I can see you two love birds, huh? Or like us, our husbands are in the States.
It's okay.
Alright, don't worry. One of these days I'll come visit you.
Really?
Yes, I
Hey,
will.
that would be so thoughtful of you. I'll be
It's
expecting
alright.
you.
It's alright.
Promise.
I promise.
Okay.
You look good, baby girl.
Thank you. Please take good care of yourself,
I
okay?
will. You too. You look good. Thank you. Alright, take care. Okay, bye. Wow.
Nah, where I just call you for phone, you don't come. You don't even waste time.
Yeah, so you don't see am now. At least you get luck, say you get work. Me, I don't get any work. I just dey waka up and down.
I am very sorry. Now him make I say make you come in. Yes, now him I say make you come this side.
Hey, when I come, I see person for gate. Oh.
Huh?
Yes, he was peeping.
This gate? Amara, I don't see anybody now. I don't see anybody.
That means he has gone now. Because lately he saw me, he ran away.
But if I don't they shout my name now, make I come catch him.
No verse. You know enter my mind.
Sorry. You know, so I no been get time really explain the kind of work very well for you. I make I explain them now. We get security situation for this compound. You understand? So my oga said I should employ another security as my assistant. I now check, instead of me to bring outsider, let me call you my sister to come and join me in this work. That's why I called you to come.
Thank you, my brother. I will not disappoint you.
I know say you no go disappoint me. Now you make I call you now. We no get disappointment for our blood. You're
So,
welcome.
I will sleep for you. I will make I go meet madam.
I know say me, I no fit decide. So we go meet them. Them go tell you where you go stay. Okay, make I.
No, leave the bag. Let's go.
I need to get something straight. Yeah? Bassy,
Okay.
I sent you, right? Or rather, I instructed you to get a gate man for me. You brought your wife.
No. Okay, you don't want me. She no be my wife. She be my blood sister. One father, but different mothers.
Okay. So I told you to get a gate man for me. You went to bring your sister from same father but different mothers.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Are you senseless?
No.
So what is your sister from a different father or mother, whatever? What is she meant to be doing here?
Okay. I know say you might see her as a woman.
Okay.
But my sister and a woman man. She is part of our village vigilante. Sir, let me tell you, okay. The day she visited my mother's land, Akwa Ibom State, if you say she understand Akwa Ibom language, they for don't make a youth leader.
Do you know what shut up means?
I know you are confused with what he's saying. Let me explain it to you. What he's trying to tell you is that I'm a very strong man-woman. Man-woman, that is what I am. In my village, I'm a vigilante.
Yes.
If you go to my village, ask of me, they will tell you. I used to catch thief. I used to do jungle justice. In fact, the last one I did, I fought 4 men that wanted to rape me. I fought them with gun and cut. In fact, there is no weapon I cannot handle. I handle all manner of
Which hand did you do that with?
This hand, okay.
This one I'm seeing.
Yes, okay.
Like both of you are comedians, right? You brought your fellow comedian to come make, okay, we are laughing. Can't you see that we are laughing? But are funny.
No, I'm not joking.
Shut up. Listen. I'm going to pardon your sister. I'm going to allow her stay.
Oh, thank you.
Shut up. Stay for tonight. Okay? Because definitely she's going to leave. I don't want to send her out now, right? I instructed you to get me a male gate man. It's called a gate man. I didn't say gate woman or gate girl or gate same father, same different mother.
Sir.
Is that well understood?
Sir,
Yes, okay.
Now leave.
Sir,
Take your sister.
forget what you're saying. Look at the spiritual
Leave,
part of
leave,
me.
just-
I'm a man inside.
Spiritually. Very strong and mighty, okay.
Take your sister out of here. Now.
Let's go for now. Just don't worry. Thank you, okay. Thank you, madam.
Just when I thought I've gotten the job.
Why they talk like this now, my sister? He will not sack you, don't worry. I will make sure that he will not sack you because me like this, I cannot cover masquerade and you run and enter bush.
How?
How be say, I will delay getting another security while you remain here and earn. Before you know, everything is settled.
How long are you going to keep on doing that?
My sister, it no matter how long. Do you understand? What matters is that you have a place to keep your head. Yes, and they will be feeding you. Just do your job so that you give the man the reason to keep you here. See, another thing, believe. Because even the Bible says, if you believe, you will receive. Psalm 23.
Are you sure about this?
I can't lie to you, my sister. You are my sister and I love you so much.
Hello, Nne. Yes. How was your trip? I hope you arrived safely. I was thinking you were going to call me yesterday when you left. Oh, you were busy. It's expected. How is your stepbrother? Hope there's no problem. Okay, how is the new job? You'll call me to tell me everything about it. Well, no problem. I'll be expecting your call. Oh? I said Cambodia here. Oh? I don't have anything in the house. Stay safe. Oh, mom. Oh? Oh. Oh. Go bye-bye.
Hey.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Where is the gate man?
He's trimming the garden.
I see. You're trying to get yourself useful, eh? That's nice. But next time you ask, okay? You ask of the car I'm going to use, because sometimes you might be washing the wrong car. All right?
Okay, sir. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. All right? All right. So I guess you're done, or just the front?
The front, let me just clean.
Oh, okay. Just be fast, okay?
Jake, they're still having technical issues at Ibadan.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I guess the transmitter needs a replacement. That's the issue we are facing right now.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we have to do. Because I tried to revive it the other time, and all to no avail. So the best thing is just to change it totally.
Yeah, exactly. That's
Just that there's a security breach in my house right now, so...
Your house?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, my kidman said someone scaled through the fence 3 nights ago. He was trying to, get the person and he jumped off. I don't know. That sounds really scary.
Wow, this is really serious.
Though he has gotten an assistant, but I'm still not cool, leaving my family behind right now. So let me know what's going on first before I can leave them to travel.
I understand you vividly, Jake. But Abuja and Ibadan needs you now more than ever.
Me first. But it's fine. I'll just look around it and know what to do.
Yeah, I just hope everything works out well.
That's what I pray for. That's what I pray for. I don't understand.
So, but what really happened last night? Because that's scary.
Babe, what are you talking about? How can you be talking of traveling when you know the security situation of this house? Babe, I don't understand. I understand if you don't go there, you're going to lose it all. Yes, I understand it. But as well, you can send somebody to do that for you. Must you be the one to go there? It's no longer the repairing of the transmitter, but the total replacement. And you have to be in Ibadan urgently? Honestly, I'm not comfortable with this. I am not. And I'm scared. Amen. Amen. Okay. Bye.
Who is that? Who are you?
Beautiful. You look beautiful. You can ask the gate man.
Ma? You go wait, make I ask him. Eh? Oh, okay, wait now. Eh? Make I ask the gate man. Brother Basi! Come. Who is he?
Like I said, he has the answer to your questions.
Do you know that man?
I know him now. Yes, he's a lesson teacher. Very mannerless.
Wait. This not the same man where I see where they peep our fence that day where I come.
Amara, it cannot be this man. This man no fit come peep for our fence now. No, maybe another person where you see.
No, it's this man. I can't remember. Is he? He's the one.
Amara, let me tell you something. You see this mannerless idiot? This uncircumcised fool. He has the right to come into this compound anytime, any day. But just that, I hate him.
Are you sure he's not the one?
No, he's not the one. Amara is not the one, don't worry. He's just mannerless, that's all. If I have the power to stop this man from coming to this house, I will do that. But I'm waiting for the men there. Hope you are fine. My sister. I'm coming, eh?
My friend Ogunwai, do you know that some group of criminals invaded our community today?
What?
I wish your daughter Amara was around. This wouldn't have happened.
Please don't bring my daughter into it.
Hey,
I'm even happy she is not around. They betrayed her, she left for good. Will she kill herself for this community?
my sister.
It's good. Let the hoodlums continue to invade this community and let them continue to deal with it.
Hey,
let her not be here.
I wish you, in short, had you been, you went out and see what really happened.
I don't need to see. You see this community? Anything their safety, I don't want to care again.
Hey,
I am done with it.
We are in so much trouble.
Let them deal with it.
We are in so much trouble. Who knows what would happen tomorrow?
I don't care.
Hi. It's okay. Hi. Good evening. Novice, my brother said you are a teacher.
And who could be your brother?
The gate man is my brother. He said you're a teacher.
It's so surprising that dumb fool has a beautiful and intelligent sister like you.
No. Please, I not stop you. Start to insult my brother. Don't insult him, please.
But that's what it is.
See, the issue here is that I am a diploma holder in English language and I'm looking for a job. All the places I have gone to for interview, it does not used to work out. They don't used to be luck in my side. They don't used to call me.
That is because you lack the intelligence. But never mind, I will help you.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
Let me open the gate.
Please do.
Why are you looking at me like that now?
Amara, I think say me, I don't tell you say I don't like this man. I don't tell you say my spirit and my soul hate this man with passion. And you are still gisting with him. Why?
It's not like I just stopped him and I started gisting with him. I stopped him because I need a job. And you said he's a teacher, so I'm sure he has a way to connect me to getting a proper job.
Yes, I disconnect you from that evil man. Yes. My spirit is telling me the man is evil. Yes. The man not get any way to help you. If you need help, you are my sister. I'll write there in a paper. My sister need a job. I'll go and post it in the junction. Everybody will see and call my number. Don't worry. Forget about this man.
Hey, it's okay. It's fine. Any small thing with the verse.
I know we say the vex. Now yourself I dey try protect. I bind this man from coming close to my sister again. Father, you said whatever I bind on earth shall be bound in heaven. Genesis chapter 1 verse 13. Let the church say, Amen.
Ma, he called me.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma, very well. I can cook very, very well.
Okay, you'll be cooking for your brother and for yourself. I can't possibly cook for both of you. Okay?
There's no problem if that's what you want. It's fine.
Okay, I'm going to give you some money so you can buy food stuff. Anything you choose to cook, you cook. Okay?
Yes, ma. If it pleases you.
You sound educated, are you?
Yes, I am an English student.
English student. Okay, that will be all for now. You can go.
If you don't need any other thing.
Thank you.
Ma, do you need any other thing?
No.
I think I might be of help in getting you a teaching job in the school I work.
Alright. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Yes, but I will be needing your credentials in order to do this.
There's no problem. Let me quickly get it.
No, excuse me. You know, you need something from me, which I will do. And in return, I think I will be needing something.
But sir, this one you are saying you'll be needing something. I hope it's not money because me, I don't have money to give you.
I will not be needing your money.
So what will you be needing?
Stop. Can you see that? Like for real?
Sweetie, what is wrong with you?
Nothing.
You know that's not true. You can't tell me that. What is wrong with you?
Promise you won't be mad at me.
Okay, I promise. What is it?
I failed my class test today.
What? You failed what? No, I don't understand. What do you mean you... What happened to Mr. Philip? Mr. Philip has been preparing you for that particular test and you're telling me that you failed it. How?
Mom, I don't know what happened. I did how he taught me and I failed. He deceived me and I don't want to see him here again.
What?
I am very careful now. If I make a boo, man of one miri, Jaba manya.
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm en route to Ibadan. What happened? What? I thought they said I should come over immediately. What's going on? Wow. I'm out of Delta. I'm just close to Abo right now. Huh? You know what? Let me just make a quick stop at the Benin branch, okay? Let me see what's going on there, fix some things. I'll be returning to Asaba, yeah? It's okay. I'll see you in the evening. This is gonna be very stressful, but it's fine. I'll just... Alright. I'm sure my wife will be surprised seeing me back. Wow. Alright, let me just hasten up.
Hey, Mr. Man. Hey! stand this place. Nobody is pursuing. What is wrong with you? Why are you sleeping? Is it that you don't have anything to do?
Madam, I'm very, very sorry. I was dreaming too much last night, so I did not sleep at night.
Oh, please, please, please. Where is your sister?
My sister. Madam, she's cooking.
She's cooking. So, where is Mr. Philip? Where is Mr. Philip?
Madam, who can be Mr. Philip again?
My friend, don't play dumb with me. The home teacher, I'm talking about him. Where is he? Have you seen him today?
Madam, his name is not Mr. Philip. His name is Mr. Mark.
What?
Yes, now the name when tell me the first day when come this house. That day where I tell you say person they find you forget.
Now you listen to me. Any day I will see that man in this house, I will make sure this your ear. I will cut it off that day and give it to you to chew. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, madam. Madam, you will never see him. Oh, madam, God has answered my prayer. No wonder the Bible talks say that the expectation of the righteous shall never be cut off. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1.
Genesis what?
Chapter 1 verse 1.
That the expectation
of the righteous shall never be cut off.
Why am I even here talking to someone that don't have brain? Like, I'm talking to someone that don't have sense.
Madam, even if I don't have sense, but you see that man? I don't like him. God, thank you. God has used my madam to satisfy my desire. I will never see him again.
Hello? Nkechi, my fear has been confirmed though. That man that has been teaching my daughter is Mark. What? How did you know this? The gate man confirmed it oh. I don't know the evil plans he has this time coming back to my life.
Oh my gosh. What about your husband?
My husband traveled. He's not around.
Please do not allow him into the compound again.
I have already instructed the gate man not to allow him in my compound again.
Okay, I'm going to my night duty right now. I will see you first thing tomorrow morning, okay? Please, just calm down.
Please, I'm waiting. You have to come to my house. Please, I am waiting for you.
Nancy, just calm down. Everything will be alright, okay? I'll see you when I get back.
Just hope so. I'm calm. But don't forget, you say you're coming first thing tomorrow morning. I'm waiting for you. First thing in the morning, just come to my house. I need to talk to you. Alright, bye.
Hey!
Mara.
Brother? Me? I dey go date.
Which kind date? With who?
Which kind of question be this one, brother? Eh? Person no fit go date again. I dey go with man. Now woman I wan go date with before.
Why you dey do like this now, eh? This work wey you just get yesterday. Now you wan lose am. No do something where I go regret calling you to come and work here.
Which work wey you dey talk about, eh? See, brother, I will not spend all my life being a security person. I have to look for other work now. Even you sef hear am when Oga talk say this work wey I dey do no dey permanent. If you sack me anytime soon. So instead of staying here doing nothing, make I go find work outside.
Yes, you dey talk. Calm down now. Eh? A bread and hand is better than none. Besides, na for night party you wan go see better work.
Hey, night party ke? When I tell you say I dey go night party, I said I'm going on a date. See if madam come back or she asks of me, find one small lie give am. Yeah?
Hi. Jesus Christ. Hold on. You know say don knack 10. Hope you no go sleep outside.
I no go sleep. I go sleep outside. I go see you tomorrow morning.
Hey, so you no get respect again? You don't know say na only Ashawo dey sleep for outside.
Yes, now you when they come out by 10 p.m. You go come back that same day. You won't make thief catch me for road. I go sleep out. I go come back as early as 9 a.m. the morning. I go come back.
Hi. Jesus Christ.
Surely, God's goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our life, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. So, my darling, you have to go and sleep, okay? Tomorrow is school. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to go to school with you and find out why you failed your test.
Mom, what I wrote was completely different from what my classmates wrote. And they all passed, except me.
Okay, that's not a problem. That's why I said I am going to come to your school tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
So go and sleep now.
Good night.
Good night, my darling. Mwah. Mwah. I love you.
Not comfortable with this girl.
Don't come spoil my day. Go now. Wish me good luck. Wish me good luck now.
Good luck.
I will see you tomorrow morning, yeah? Hey! I've been expecting. Hey! Hey, look at me!
Hi, sunshine.
You!
Remember me?
I never believed it when the gate man told me about you. You fooled me. You fooled my friend as well.
Nancy, I never knew you were this down. Is it marriage? What turned you like this? You know, back in the days, you used to be a very smart girl. What happened?
What do you want from me?
Oh, Nancy, you know what I want. And I will get it. Because I've missed it.
You will get nothing from me.
Come on, I will get it. What will stop me now? Ah! 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 Ah!
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Baby.
Hello? I can hear you. You said someone is in the house? Who? Oh, okay, just hang on. I'm coming. I'm coming to the house now. I'm coming.
Make a noise and I will throw her. Down!
Please. You want my daughter, please.
Leave her! You. So this is you. You made me look for you all over Lokoja. I cried like a baby. You. Today is the judgment day.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Why did you leave me?
Please, I'm sorry. Just let my daughter go.
Why did you leave me?
Let my daughter go. She's innocent, please.
Why did you leave me?
I left you because you're a monster. You always hit me. You always run me. The last time you hit me, you left me to die. That was the day I swore to leave you, to leave the city.
Oh. That was why you left a man that loves you with everything he has. You made me cry like a baby. Only to find out that you're now married with a child. How do you want me to feel? You think I can? Listen, do you know what will happen now? I will sleep with you and this daughter of yours. That is what is going to.
You want to just do with me, but please let my...
Pull it. Now!
Where is he?
In there inside.
Officer.
In there with Kono.
Are you okay?
Sorry.
Hello, team. Oh, you guys are on your way? Yeah, I'm right here at the location. Okay, over.
Let's go. Yeah, I will not follow them inside.
No.
I will stay here and wait.
I won't even allow you to go inside. Sorry, eh? Sorry.
Go da bego.
Sit down.
Go da bego. Go da bego.
Please.
Hey, please. Put your gun down. Hey, if you try anything stupid, I'll blow off your head. Put it down. Put your gun down. If you try anything stupid, I'll blow off your head. Move it. On your knees. Move it. Down, down. Go down. I said down. I'll blow off your head. Down.
Mercy. Okay. Did meet you? You almost succeed. Thank God the police is here. Annabelle.
Did
you hurt you?
I am here.
Annabelle.
Yeah. Keep coming. Okay. Come inside.
Thank God the police is here.
Don't try anything stupid.
Sorry, it's okay. Mercy. Are you okay?
Lottie.
How was that?
Yeah. I have it. You guys should keep coming.
Annabelle, are you okay?
I said you guys should keep coming in.
Thank God the police
Don't try
is here.
anything stupid.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Sorry. Sorry.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's
Amara, what's happened?
Brother, I just want to leave before he comes back.
Ma, Oga, why? What's happened?
And you know see what's happen, eh? I opened the gate for that monster. Eh? What if he had raped that innocent woman and a child? I'm just so stupid to have allowed him deceive me.
No, now. God forbid, my sister is not stupid. My sister is not stupid. It's not your fault. See, waiting there, we say you were just doing apprentice work. Yes, yes. Apprentice will make mistake anytime. So let's just call it a mistake.
Even though, all this wouldn't have happened if I had not gone on a date with that monster. Eh? I don't even know that he was a rapist. Now see, please let me just go. I don't want to be a rapist. Let me just go, please.
Calm down, see. Amara, you are my sister. And I love you so much. I understand how you feel, eh? But Oga no go no say, now you open the gate. Yes. Besides, that man been coming here with gun. Anything will happen. Eh? You know if you go back.
Let me go, please.
No, see. I will never allow you to go back to the street and start looking for work again.
Oh.
No, now. No, you are not going. Please. Please don't go now.
But just
see, if you love me as your brother, please listen to me. Please. If you go back, you break my heart. Thank you.
So how the hell did he get entrance?
Okay, he jumped through the fence.
I opened the gates for him.
Hey, Amara, waiting you they talk.
I'm saying the truth.
Okay, now lie she they lie.
Sam, I'm saying the truth. I opened the gate for him. What?
Shut up and let her speak.
Sir, he deceived me.
Wait. You opened the gate for a total stranger?
Yes, sir. But sir, that was because he said he was going to get me a job if only I would go on a date with him.
Yummy. Okay, my sister is just hallucinating. You won't put yourself for trouble. Okay, my sister is lying.
I'm not lying, sir. So that's the truth.
She's just trying to...
Shut up. So the truth is that you opened the gate for a total stranger because he promised to get you a job.
Yes, sir.
Do you know him before?
No, sir.
You don't know him? Because he promised to get you a job. What kind of job?
Teaching job, school. Teaching job.
She's leaving this house right now. In fact, she should be arrested and made to suffer for believing the words of a rapist.
She doesn't know him, remember?
She doesn't know him. What are you saying? We should pardon her for all she has done?
She was truthful. That's enough. Being truthful is everything. But the fact that her brother was giving her signs not to even say what happened, but she insisted, that's enough. That's enough. Let's forgive her.
Let's forgive her. Can you hear yourself? Let's forgive her. You know what? That girl is leaving my house today. In fact, she is leaving immediately.
Babe, can you calm down, please?
I'm sorry. I'm
I'm so sorry. I was just in need of a job ever since Oga said I won't be working here for so long. So I met him and he promised to take me to this teaching job, this teaching work he does, yes. I believed him. I didn't know he was a thief. Oh, I didn't know he was a thief. I'm so sorry.
There is no justification for what you did. I mean, you risk the life of my daughter and I. What are you going to say to me now that I am going to believe you?
Ma, I know I'm stupid. I know I'm a very foolish person, but please forgive me. I don't mind leaving this house if that's the only way you can forgive me.
Better.
Madam, please forgive her, please.
Mom, please forgive her. She's not a bad person. I forgive you.
Oh, thank you so much.
God bless you.
Listen to me. The reason I'm going to forgive you is because my daughter said so.
Thank you so much.
Madam, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And one more thing. Being honest and truthful is another reason I'm going to forgive you because my husband already said so. I am giving you second chance. Do not waste it.
I will not waste it. I will not waste it. I will not try it again. I will not do it. Thank you.
Babe, I went to Annabelle's teacher to find out why she failed. And it happens that what the teacher and the school has been teaching is different from what that bloody rapist has been teaching her. Oh God. I can't even believe I wasted my time. I wasted my daughter's time employing a fake teacher for her. Well, as it stands now, that means I have to be the one teaching her everything. Babe, please, I don't have time or the strength of your business proposal or your business discussion. I don't have time for such discussions right now. And as it stands, babe, please, I need to make something for my daughter. I need to be in the kitchen, okay? Maybe some other, we'll talk later. Bye. Love you too.
You need to be making decisions for him.
Making decisions for him. But I don't know anything about his business.
I'm not talking of making final decision, but at least assist him in thinking through a decision. Men need a wife they can share their feelings and challenges with.
Like I said, Nkechi, I don't know anything about my husband's business.
Then you learn it, Nancy. This is 21st century, and you need to upgrade yourself so as to be a problem solver to your husband. Make him seek your wise counsel in whatever decision he's about to take.
Are you the one saying this? Have you forgotten that I have my boutique? My boutique takes most of my time and I don't have time for all this.
Your husband's business is the major provider of your financial needs, and you will not see the business fall, which makes it paramount for you to learn about the business and become a think tank to your husband.
Okay. Ma, you called? Yes. I'm not feeling too well. Please, can you just help me make something for my daughter? She'll soon be back from school and I can't do anything for now.
Okay, Ma, I'm so sorry. But can you tell me what is wrong? I can easily rush to the chemist and get you drugs.
It's just my head, oh, my head. I'm having serious headache, but don't worry, I've taken painkiller. I'll be fine. Just help me make food for my daughter, okay?
Okay, ma. Please, what meal do you want me to prepare for her?
anything at all, anything. Just fix something. Fix something.
Mom.
Yeah? Are you done eating?
Yes, and the food was very delicious. That Aunt Shirley knows how to cook.
Really? That's good.
Mom, your doll. Are you okay?
I'm not fine at all. I'm not too strong.
Sorry about that. What can I do to help?
Nothing, my angel. I'm going to stay here and wait for your dad to return, okay? Just come inside. Come and join me.
Is it okay? I know the medicine you took, you'll be fine.
Thank you. My love, I'm so sorry I couldn't make dinner. Tired.
But you already did.
I did not. I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Oh, really? Then who did?
Maybe Zamara, the girl at the gate.
Oh, really? The food is really nice. You okay?
My head.
Sorry, baby.
So serious. You know, when Jake was even saying it, I thought he was joking.
Hi! Wonder shall never end.
I'm so surprised.
Jeez. Baby, evil people are everywhere.
Everywhere. We need to be very careful. So many bad people.
Hi. But what if he had succeeded in raping them both? What would have happened?
You see now, baby. I'm just glad that none of this happened, eh?
Oh, please. Protect myself, protect my husband, protect my baby. No evil shall come upon us in the mighty name of Jesus.
Hey, babe. Only a while now. Take it easy. Eh? Nothing will happen to us.
Baby, we have to be prayerful.
I know, my love.
We have to be prayerful.
Nothing will happen to you and my baby boy.
My baby girl.
Ma, interested. Yes, it's... Really? Amara, thank you so much. You're just a lifesaver. Thank you. Pepper soup.
It's fine. And Ma, I have prepared down the food and Abe will eat when she returns from school.
Really? You did?
Yes, Ma.
Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Thank you.
Mama.
Sir?
What do you think about being the cook in this house? Of course, you're going to be paid for it. Handling the kitchen activities. What do you think, babe?
Sir,
please. Amara, please don't say no. As you can see, I'm not strong at all, so you have to help me. I beg you. Okay?
Okay. Yes. Anything for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Why you dey smile? No smile, you see smile for my face.
What's happening now?
I no dey comfortable with that job offer.
Brother, why? Oh, because you know say I go to earn more than you.
No now, I no fit jealous you now, you are my sister. See, waiting I dey try mean be say, my oga don live with woman for this house before as a maid, and the story no end well.
What's happening?
That lady tried to snatch my oga from his wife.
Huh?
Yes. Now only God save this couple. If not, that lady for don't succeed. I swear to God. Now you make for prefer that security work than that one where they give you. I know they comfortable.
Relax, before you insult me. So you think see I go do like that maid? You know I cannot do anything like that. I'm nothing like that. So don't worry, you don't have to stress yourself.
I know you are my sister, you cannot do a thing like that. But this one look like temptation. Even the Bible says, lead us not into temptation and deliver us from the evil. Psalms chapter 1 verse 1.
Nothing will happen. I'm not like that. I will not snatch madam. You aren't drinking your tea without your bread.
My mom said you're the new maid. I guess I'll say more of you in the house now.
Of course.
I heard you're a good cook. Will you teach me how to cook?
Yes, I will, but you have to get the approval of your parents.
My mom would object to that, but my dad...
You also need his approval.
Are you sure he will accept?
That I don't know, but one thing I know is that your father is a good and a nice man. If you talk to him, he's definitely going to accept. Why don't you just take your tea before it gets cold?
Good morning, Amara. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Have you eaten?
No yet, Ma.
What do you mean, not yet?
Ma actually wants to be done with all my house chores before I eat.
Can you please stop that? It's past 11. You've not eaten anything and you're telling me you want to be done with your house chores? Please go and eat.
Alright, Ma. Once I'm done with the living room, I'll eat.
Fine. Living room, right?
Yes, Ma.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you're working hard and I'm also happy you took the job.
There's no problem. Thank you for choosing me. Ma, how's your health?
I'm getting better.
Okay.
Amara, what is it?
Ma?
Why is my husband shouting?
He asked me to leave while I was cleaning his room.
You should leave. What did you do?
I did not do anything.
Oh, it's okay. I'll handle it.
I'm sorry for the embarrassment. I feel the pains. You see why I've been telling you I don't like that work offer.
The problem is, the man is thinking I might turn out to be like his former maid. You needed to see the anger in his eyes immediately I walked into his room. Hey! I will not go back there again. I cannot go to that room again.
I love that decision we just make right now. Thank you very much. Hey! See, you have to be very careful with these people. Avoid their room. Let the wife do the work. She understand. But I wonder why they don't want another person to do this work. They still want you to do the maid work. It's better to make them employ man. Make man come do this maid work.
Oh. I know what I could do. I could just do the work for just 6 months. I'll work for only 6 months. Then all my savings, I'll use that to start another work or find something else to do.
Oh my God. I love this decision. God bless you. Hey, I'm so proud of you. So even if your money is not complete, I'll add money for you. I have savings. Hey.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Olivia. Oh, I can see you're busy.
Yes, I can't seem to solve my assignment.
Your assignments? Why? I'm sure you were taught in class.
I wasn't paying full attention.
Why weren't you paying full attention in class?
I was worried I'm going to fail my exams.
What? Your exams? Have you written them?
No.
So why are you worried about an exam you've not even written?
Because I've been failing.
Hey, stop it. Listen, you are smart and intelligent. All you have to do is believe in yourself.
That's the issue. Everyone thinks I'm intelligent and smart, but I'm not. I can't even pass my exams.
That's because you've not believed in yourself. You have failed to believe in yourself. If you don't, you won't be able to do anything. Once you put your mind to it and believe in yourself, you will do it. Okay? I'm going to explain the work for you. Please pay attention. Let's say the subjects. Marketing. Okay, yes. The topic here is products. What is a product? What is this now?
This is not what I taught you. You failed everything. Why didn't you write what I taught you?
I'm sorry.
What happened?
I just didn't trust you enough.
How? I don't understand.
Because many people have written my homework for me and they all failed me. Even my dad that seems to know everything, he just doesn't have my time. I'm just so disappointed in myself.
It's okay. You just have to take things easy with yourself. What I want you to know is I am here for you no matter what. And I will not want you to fail your academics. I will not teach you what I don't know. All you have to do is just trust me, okay? Huh? So let's go to something else.
You sent her away. You sent an innocent girl away for doing nothing?
Which innocent girl are you talking about? No, which innocent girl are you talking about? Yes, I sent her away because I don't want what happened with Abigail to repeat itself again in my house.
Are you being serious right now? Since when did you start being stupid? You sent her away because of Abigail? Do you listen to yourself? Are you not sounding so dumb now?
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
No problem. Oh. You can call me whatsoever you like. But the thing is that she has gone back to her village. Let us go there and start carrying her weapon up and down. Not in my house. She will not seduce my husband in my own house. That will not happen.
For you to condescend me so low because of Abigail? Because you think that I would cheat on you with her?
Don't change
you
the topic.
disappoint me.
Don't change the topic. I am not talking about Abigail. I'm talking about that little girl because I see the way she...
You sent her away because of Abigail?
Yes.